Okay, let's look at GBPJPY. This market I've not really done. This pair I've not done much for the past few days, and I don't really see much possibilities here. The market have just been consolidating for a while, so I don't trade pairs that are not trending. I don't trade pairs that are not trending. So I think I'm going to just forget about GBPJPY for today, the 26th day of June. Let me look at GBPAUD and see. Okay, I think this is much better. But there's a challenge. Now I remember another rules that I don't trade a pair that the price is distance from my structure. No, I don't trade pair that the price. I only take trade from my major zones. I don't take trade at the middle. But that does not mean you can't trade this. You can trade this. Yeah, you can just remember always trap the price between support and resistance. Wait for the market to break from that level. Then you can look for confirmation. You wait for retracement. Then you wait for confirmation, either through bullish or a bearish engulfing candle. Now, if the market break from this level, retest it, look for bullish engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle, you can take a trade. Or the market break to the downside, retest it, look for bearish engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle, you can take a trade to the downside. But I don't take a trade far from my zones. So you can trade this, but I stick to my trading rules. I stick to them, and one of them is I don't take a trade far from my zones, and I don't even consider pairs. If I want to list at the pairs I'll be trading where the market opened, I check for the pair that the price is close to the zone, that the price closes close to my zone, so that when it opens, I can look for an opportunity to join the market. Okay, so I won't be trading this also. Let's look at GBPCAD and see. Okay. Um, this is almost like the GBPJPY. No much movement is happening in the market. The market is just so slow, and so I think I will trade this also. Let's see what this is saying. Okay, okay. Ah, I don't see a good price action here. I don't see a good price movement. Now I know it might look like I'm selecting pair to trade. Please do select pairs to trade, because if the pair is not giving you the good price movement that you need, please let it go. Look for other pair. You must not trade. Uh, you must not trade. Okay, you can decide if there's no pair that is giving you what you want. Please stay out of the market, even if it means you not trading for the whole day, for the whole week. Just make sure you have a rule, or you have rules that guide you in your trading. Okay, so I don't really like the movement of this pair. um if I want to trade this, if I want to look for a buying opportunity, it has to be above this level, or if the market retrace back to this level. But not until then. I think I don't really like this price action, so I'm not going to trade this also. Now let's look at the USD card. Okay, this is more like it. This is a good setup. Remember yesterday analysis, I did analysis on this yesterday before the market opened. I told us that I can't take a trade from this level because that is a resistance. You don't buy at resistance, you only buy at support. So that was why, even though I was seeing this bullish a candle, I didn't take this trade because the market was at resistance. So like I told us yesterday, if you check the video for yesterday, that the 25th day, I told us that if I see a level of retracement to the downside, I can consider taking a buy trade. So which you can see the level of retracement. So but that does not mean that we'll just take a buy trade. Let's watch out for if the market has changed its structure. Now, what can we do here? Now, I will take this trade because one, the price is close to my zone. So these are my kind of trade. These are my kind of trade. I take a trade from a zone and target the next zone. It gives me good risk reward ratios. 1:5, 1:6, 1:8, sometimes 1:12 if you really carefully select the pair you trade. Now what can I do here? The market has broken out of this trend line and it's giving us a all buying, opportunity, but I don't want to buy this market. I know there are people that will say the market has broken out of the structure, is about to retest the trend line. Then let's look for a confirmation candle to the downside. Yeah, that is a good setup. But I want you to have these two setup in mind for this pair. Let's go to a smaller time frame so that you can see it better. I want you to have these two setup in mind, and these are two possibilities that can occur. Two possibilities. Now, the first one is this: the market has broken out of this area, is the market has retested it, so you can watch out for, let me trap the price. Remember, always trap the price between support and resistance and wait for the market to break out of it, then you can enter the trade. Now, this is first, wait for the price to break out of this level, break, retest this level, look for bearish engulfing or weak rejection, and target the next zone. That is the first possibility. And the second possibility is that the market will continue to the upside. It is very, very, very possible that this market that is giving you the sign of I want to go to the downside, this might just be fake out, just to hunt people's stop for the market to go to the upside. So this can be the market causing liquidity. Okay, so watch out for this market also moving to the next zone to the upside. Now, how should you prepare for it? This, so let's trap the price. Now, this is the price. Okay, let's use our line chart to see it clearly. Okay, now this, if the market break through this level, please watch this carefully, because I've seen so many traders that because the market is giving them this kind of sell kind of movement, they'll keep on selling even when the market is already buying, because their eyes is only seeing the selling possibility of the market without seeing the buying possibility of the market. They will just be stuck on that selling, and before you know, you sell, the market will stop you at, you sell it to stop you at. So that is why you must always trap your price between support and resistance. And when you trap the price, you wait for the structure to break, look for a good retracement, then look for confirmation. Now, if the market break to the upside and give you a good retracement and give you a bullish engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle, this is a very good setup for a buy trade also. So just watch out for the market. Don't be in a hurry to enter into a trade. Just watch out for what the market wants to do. The market is trapped between these two positions. Wait for the market to break out from it. Now, why you should wait for a retracement is because waiting for retracement help you to see fake out. Because once the market breaks, sometimes that breaking out from that structure can be the market causing liquidity, hunting stop for the market to move. So if you are in a hurry because the market broke out of the structure, you just start trading, the market can just retrace back into that structure and continue to the others to the downside. So that is why you must wait for a good retracement, then wait for a candlestick confirmation. Okay, so I'll be trading this USD CAD for today when the market open in the next few hours. That is the 26th day of June. So I want you to also do your own analysis and see the possibilities in the market. Remember, this video is mainly for educational purpose. So let's see what we can get at from this pair when the market open. See you in the next pair. Bye bye.